As the world sleeps beneath a blanket of fading starlight, a new force awakens on the horizon, forged from raw ambition and engineered for those who refuse to blend into the quiet. The 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck rises like a storm-born titan, its silhouette carved by the first touch of dawn. This is not merely a machine. It is the heartbeat of American power, reborn through precision, pressure, and purpose. Every breath of its twin-turbo Hurricane engine whispers a promise that the era of true performance has only just begun.
There is a moment, that first quiet second, when the world pauses as the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck steps into view. Its presence is immediate, undeniable, and unapologetically dominant. The redesigned front fascia stretches forward like the snout of a predator, widened and sharpened, each line sculpted to redirect wind and command attention. The LED signature lights form a pair of piercing eyes, illuminating the world with a luminous intensity that feels alive. Air intakes, larger and more aggressive than ever, channel breath straight into the heart of the Hurricane engine, feeding a beast waiting for release. The muscular fenders frame the truck's towering stance, while the elevated ride height hints at power that doesn't just sit idle. It expects a challenge. From the matte black skid plates to the satin-finished trim, every surface speaks a language of strength, capability, and modern brutality.
The exterior design of the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck is not a collection of shapes and panels, it is a declaration. From the sculpted hood, aerodynamically carved around functional vents, to the sharp shoulder lines that glide seamlessly toward the rear, each stroke is engineered to embody speed even at rest. The long wheelbase stabilizes the truck's powerful posture, while the satin black wheel arches widen its presence like armor. The paint itself, available in finishes like Shadow Granite, Deep Flame Red, and Midnight Storm, appears almost liquid under shifting light, absorbing colors from its environment like a predator blending into terrain. The redesigned rear features a chiseled tailgate, integrated LED bar, and dual exhaust outlets bold enough to show confidence without pretense. This isn't style for vanity. This is style for dominance.
With every revolution, the wheels of the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck carry the legacy of RAM performance. The 18-inch performance off-road alloys, wrapped in massive 35-inch all-terrain tires, are not simply components, they are the truck's boots, built for war and wilderness. Their deep tread design grips loose soil, crushed gravel, and wet asphalt with unwavering authority. The wheel wells are fortified, the suspension visibly upgraded with reinforced components and adaptive dampers that await the next terrain shift. Subtle but striking details reveal themselves upon close inspection. The powder-coated step bars, the textured skid plates, the sculpted mirrors with integrated LED markers. Every bolt, every trim piece, every metallic edge carries a sense of purpose. This is craftsmanship wrapped in capability. At the rear of the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck, the design becomes a monument to strength. The tailgate is bold, yet refined, housing an LED light bar that sweeps across with a futuristic glow. Its sculpted contours create a sense of tension, as though the truck is always in motion, even in stillness. Dual exhaust tips sit at either end, not polished chrome, but rugged, darkened steel, hinting at the growl that lies within. The bumper integrates tow hooks, strong enough to pull, lift, and rescue, all while maintaining a seamless aesthetic. Above it, the cargo bed is lined with durable materials engineered for heavy-duty work, but refined enough to match the truck's modern attitude. Every angle at the rear feels deliberate, purposeful, and commanding, a visual anchor for all who follow behind.
The moment you open the door of the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck, the outside world falls away. The cabin greets you with a blend of rugged durability and modern luxury, crafted for drivers who demand both strength and serenity. The doors close with a solid, reassuring thud, a sound that signals the beginning of a new driving experience. Inside, the sweeping dashboard flows across the cabin like a sculpted horizon, wrapped in soft-touch materials in precision-stitched leather. Every contour feels intentional, guiding your eyes from the panoramic display to the structural edges that give the interior its bold character. The seats, upholstered in premium leather with perforated inserts and contrast stitching, cradle you with a firmness designed for long journeys and extreme adventures alike. Ambient lighting glows across the cabin, shifting in color to match your mood or the driving environment. This is not a truck interior. This is a sanctuary built for those who live for the road, the wilderness, and everything in between. Technology inside the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck is not designed to overwhelm, it's designed to elevate. The centerpiece of the cabin is the massive 14.5-inch infotainment display, floating seamlessly above the center stack. It responds instantly to your touch with crisp animations and an interface that feels like a high-end tablet built for rugged environments. The cluster in front of the driver transforms into a fully customizable digital cockpit, offering performance telemetry, off-road metrics, and live power distribution data for those who crave precision. Beneath it all lies a redesigned console with integrated wireless charging, modular storage, and haptic controls that combine tactile response with luxury. The premium sound system surrounds the cabin with studio-level clarity, tuning each note to the shape of the interior. You feel immersed, empowered, and connected. Here, technology becomes a companion, not a distraction.
Inside the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck, comfort becomes an essential part of capability. The seats embrace you with adjustable bolsters, heating, ventilation, and memory settings that adapt to your body. Whether you're conquering rough terrain or cruising long stretches of highway, the cabin absorbs vibrations and noise with refined insulation and adaptive noise cancellation. The rear seats offer generous legroom, reclining angles, and premium materials that make even the toughest journeys feel effortless. Storage compartments are intelligently integrated, offering space for tools, gear, beverages, and personal items without cluttering the environment. Soft ambient lighting illuminates cup holders and door accents, creating a sense of harmony even during night drives. This interior understands drivers who push boundaries and rewards them with comfort that never compromises strength.
The driver's seat of the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck feels less like a chair and more like a command center. The steering wheel, thick and sculpted, is wrapped in premium leather with metallic paddle shifters that click with precision. Your hands naturally find their position as the controls align perfectly, within reach. The digital cluster arcs around your vision, providing real-time insights while keeping the road in clear focus. At night, the cabin glows subtly, illuminating only what matters: your surroundings, your tools, your mission. Every switch, knob, and interface has been engineered with tactile satisfaction. When you're behind this wheel, you feel not just like a driver, but like the commander of a machine built to rewrite what capability means. This is where adrenaline meets calm, where control meets power, where you become one with the experience.
The soul of the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck lies in its beating heart, the 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane high-output engine. With power surging through its veins, this engine delivers a stunning combination of strength, efficiency, and modern engineering precision. Press the ignition, and the turbos spool with a sharp whisper that grows into a confident growl. The throttle responds instantly, unleashing torque that pushes you back into your seat with unmistakable force. The boost builds rapidly, delivering power across the entire RPM range with relentless consistency. This is not an engine that screams for attention, it dominates with controlled aggression. Whether you're accelerating from a standstill or surging past slower traffic, the Hurricane delivers a performance that feels refined yet brutally effective. Every pulse, every vibration, every surge reminds you that this is the dawn of a new generation of power. The performance of the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck goes far beyond straight-line power. Its re-engineered suspension system, featuring adaptive dampers and reinforced components, transforms the way a high-performance truck handles unpredictable environments. Cornering feels stable and controlled, even at speeds that challenge the limits of physics. The steering is sharp yet grounded, delivering a level of precision that makes this massive machine feel nimble. Off-road, the truck becomes a beast of instinct, climbing, crawling, or charging across terrain with unshakable confidence. The intelligent 4x4 system actively monitors traction, distributing power to each wheel with millisecond accuracy. Every bump, rock, or obstacle becomes a calculated moment rather than a risky encounter. The TRX Successor doesn't just survive rough terrain, it thrives on it.
Driving the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck means carrying confidence through weather, terrain, and conditions that would stop lesser machines. Snow, mud, gravel, sand, each surface becomes an opportunity to experience the truck's mastery. Drive modes adjust throttle response, shift patterns, traction maps, and suspension behavior, allowing the truck to adapt instantly to any environment. On snow-covered highways, the power distributes smoothly, gripping the road even when friction is scarce. On muddy trails, torque flows with precision to prevent wheel slippage. On sand, the engine breathes freely, delivering sustained momentum that keeps the truck gliding instead of digging in. Rain becomes a symphony of controlled traction, with stability systems working behind the scenes to ensure your experience remains connected and thrilling. No matter the challenge, control remains yours.
There is a moment when driving the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck stops being an action and becomes an experience. Your senses align with the machine, your heartbeat syncing with the rhythmic surge of the engine, your hands gripping the wheel with instinctive confidence. As the truck roars down open roads or charges up winding trails, you feel the fusion of engineering and emotion. The Hurricane engine's boost pulses through your chest. The suspension smooths out the chaos beneath you. The steering, sharp and responsive, feels like an extension of your thoughts. With every mile, truck and driver merge into one unstoppable force. A single story unfolding across asphalt, dirt, and horizon. This is what performance was meant to feel like. Pure, unfiltered connection. As the road stretches into the fading light, the 2026 RAM TRX Successor Hurricane engine pickup truck stands as more than a machine. It becomes a testament to evolution, ambition, and the relentless spirit of performance. Every curve, every bolt, every surge of power is a reminder that true strength is not inherited, it is earned. This truck is not simply built for drivers, it is built for leaders, explorers, creators, those who carve their own path through the world. And as night rises to meet the journey, the TRX Successor remains a beacon of what happens when engineering meets passion. This is the future of power. This is the storm reborn.